Hi, first grade friends, and let's get ready for Fundations. The materials you will need for today are paper and a piece of cardboard, a notebook, and a red crayon. Remember, I want you to use that piece of cardboard when we're practicing writing our trick words because we want to make our paper bumpy so that we can feel the letters when we're tracing with our fingers. So today's objective is I can find trick words in sentences and practice short vowel words. Our first trick word that we're going to practice writing is the word his. So I want you to get that piece of paper ready, your red crayon, and that cardboard, or something that could make your writing bumpy. We're going to write the word his. H-I-S, his. Now we're going to take our finger and we are going to trace over each letter and say what letter it is and then say the word at the end. For example, we're going to spell with our finger H-I-S, his. Now we're going to do that 3 times. So let's start tracing with our pointer fingers. H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. Good job. Now let's get ready to write our next word, is. So write I-S is on your paper. Make sure you've got that bumpy cardboard underneath so you can feel your letters when you spell. Now we are going to trace over the word is with our fingers. And we're going to spell it out loud when we trace. Ready? I-S is. I-S is. I-S is. Good, let's practice one more. Our last trick word for the week is of. So get that paper and that red crayon ready. And your piece of cardboard or something that makes your writing bumpy. Now we're going to write the word of. O-F. Now we are going to trace over the word with our pointer finger. Let's trace and spell at the same time. Ready? O-F, of. O-F, of. O-F, of. Good job. Can you tell a parent or a family member a sentence using these 3 words? So the 3 trick words that we learned this week, his, of, and is. Can you use them in a sentence? Now let's get ready to echo. We are seeing echo the owl, so we want you to repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, N, nut, O, octopus, ah. P, pan, Q, U, queen, qu. R, rat, S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. Good. Now we are going to practice stretching out our vowel sounds, but instead of listening to me stretch out the vowel sounds, you are going to pause the video and stretch out each vowel sound all on your own. Ready? Go. Okay, remember when we tap out words, we use our thumb and our pointer finger to tap out the first sound that we see. And then the middle sound that we see, we tap our middle finger to our thumb. And with the last sound we see, we tap our ring finger to our thumb. And then we slide our fingers over our thumb when we want to blend the word together. So let's tap out the word of the day. The word of the day is quit. How do we tap it out? Okay, so I should see or know about our hands should be up. We are going to tap out with our pointer finger, our middle finger, and our ring finger. Let's tap it out together. Ready? Qu, it, quit. How many letters does the word quit have? The word quit has 4 letters, but how many sounds does the word quit have? The word quit has 3 sounds. Yeah, they're four letters, but remember, Q and U are buddy letters. They are always together, so they make one sound. So qu, it. Okay, so that is how you should tap out the word quit. Now, how can we write quit on the writing grid? Good. So that is what the word quit should look like when we are writing it. So remember, all of our letters are plain line letters except for the letter T. My letter T, this font doesn't have it go all the way to the top, but our letter T should reach all the way to the skyline. What is the vowel sound in the word quit? You're right. The sound I. Like itch. Your nose should be all scrunched up like it's itchy. Eh. What does the word quit mean? The word quit means to stop. So now we are going to be trick word detectives. Remembering that trick words are words that we cannot tap out, we need to know them by looking at them. So we are looking for these words: his, is, and of. And remember, if we see any other trick words that we've learned already, like and the, then we want to circle those words too. So this is a good time for you to get your notebooks. We are going to use the word quit in a sentence. So please get your notebooks and a pencil and your red crayon. And I want you to write down the sentence. So I'm going to tell you the sentence first. You're going to do the best that you can writing the sentence all by yourself. And then we will check your work with my work. Make sure you have the right spelling. Now remember, you can always tap out to spell. That's why we learn the tapping. Ready? Tom quit his job. You can pause the video and listen to that sentence again. Tom quit his job. Okay, does your sentence match mine? Remember, you have a capital letter in the beginning of your sentence, and you should have a punctuation mark at the end. Do you notice a trick word in this sentence? We gotta be those sight word detectives. Good. The word his is a trick word, so we're gonna circle the word his in red crayon. Now I want you to scoop the sentence to read for expression. So I scooped Tom and then quit his job. So when I read it together, it should sound like Tom quit his job. Does your sentence look like mine? Okay, let's try another sentence using the word quit. I'm going to tell you the sentence. You are going to write it the best you can. Tap out to spell. You can always pause the video and rewind and listen to the sentence again. Ready? Peg says it is time to quit. Peg says it is time to quit. Do the best you can writing that sentence. Does your sentence look like mine? Make sure you have a capital letter in the beginning of your sentence and a punctuation mark at the end. And you can take the time now to fix any spellings. And now we need to be a trick word detective. Do we see any trick words in this sentence? Good. The word is one of our trick words, so make sure that is circled in red. And now I'm going to scoop my sentence for expression. So look where I scooped first. I want you to scoop the rest of the sentence. What should it look like when we read for expression? Good. So we don't want choppy scoops. We just have 2 scoops to read the sentence. So let's read it together with expression. Peg says, it is time to quit. Can you read that sentence to a parent or a family member with expression? Good. Now it's time to try it on your own. Please complete the activities after the video. Have a wonderful day.